Namaste. I am Manoj Kumar, Professor of Indian Culture and Yoga at the Embassy of India, Madrid. As you all know that considering the present situation which the world is facing right now, it's very difficult to understand how to deal with it. We have decided that let's keep the positive energy doing and stay connected virtually, spread out positivity, happiness in this different kind of situation. Before starting this yoga session, first of all, I would like to thanks to Casa de la India who has organized this lovely and wonderful yoga sessions to you all. So my dear health loving students, let's do practice yoga with me. Get ready. Now please get up on your yoga mat. In this video, I am gonna teach you only standing postures of basic Ashtanga yoga. Before practicing of Ashtanga yoga, we have to perform micro exercise. So now let's start. Open your both hands forward. Keep both legs together. Open and close your fingers. Normal breathing. Now next, inside your thumbs, close your fist and move your wrist. Anti-clockwise. And relax. Now palm facing upward. Next exercise we have to perform breathing exercise. Inhale, bend your elbows. Exhale, come back. Now start full inhale. Exhale. Full inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Full exhale. Last round, full inhale. Exhale. Next exercise, same variation of breathing exercise. Open your both hands. Now start. Inhale, bend your elbows. Exhale, come back. Full inhale. Exhale. Full inhale. Exhale. You can perform 3 to 5 rounds and according to body capability. Now relax, hold your shoulders and move. Shoulders movement. Move your shoulders. Now anti-clockwise. And relax. Down your both hands. Keep your hands on your waist. Next, neck exercise. Down. Fully stretch your neck downward. Now up. Pull down. Up. Down. Up. Now relax. Move your neck sidewise. Other side, other side, other side, other side, and relax. Now, next, neck rotation. While moving your neck, don't close your eyes should be open. Let's do. Slowly, slowly, move your neck, touch your ear with shoulder. 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clock. And relax. Now next, keep your both hands on your knees and up and down. Now hold sometime downwards your knees. Stay on same posture sometime. Come back. Once again we have to perform same posture. Down your knees, hold some time and come back. Now relax. Get ready to standing postures. First posture we have to perform Tadasana. Every posture we have to perform with breathing exercise. So now start full inhale. Lift your arms up. Lift your heels. Stretch your body. Your knees, your elbows should be straight. Stretch your body as much as possible. Hold some time, keep breathing. Now, slowly we have to come back. First down your heels with exhalation. Relax your both hands down. Same variation of second posture. Full inhale. Interlock your fingers. Now this interlock your fingers, palm facing upward. Stretch your body. Once again, lift your heels. Hold some time. First down your heels only. Open your leg according to body convenience. Now side bending. Bend your upper body right side. Now come back. Other side. With exhalation, hold and keep breathing. Now come back and relax. Triangle pose, get ready, triangle pose. First lift your left hand up and now bend your body. Come back. We have to repeat same posture other side. Every posture you can hold according to your body capability. Now come back and relax. Now keep some more space between your legs. Open your both hands. Now touch your right foot and look upward. Come back. Now on this side. Touch your foot, look upward. Now come back. Next posture, first bend your right knee. Place your hand beside the foot and look upward. Now come back. Same other side. Now come back and relax. These all postures very basic postures, everyone can perform at your home. Next, first bend your left knee, left hand inside, hold your right leg and look upward. Come back. Same other side. Right hand go inside. Interlock your fingers. Open your chest. Now come back. Get ready. Next, exercise. Interlock your fingers and keep your hands behind the head. Bend your both knees according to your body convenience. Now touch. Touch your elbow with your knee. Now come back and relax. Now relax your body. Next posture we have to perform tree pose. Okay. Now keep your right leg, left thigh. Lift your arms upward. Namaskar mudra. Hold some time. And relax. Other side, left hand keep on right thigh. Vriksasana. For maintain your balance, you have to focus any one point. Keep breathing, normal breathing in this posture. Now come back and relax. Now next, get ready to Ashtanga series, basic Ashtanga series we have to perform. Get ready, keep your both feet together. Now start. Every Ashtanga series we have to perform with breathing. Now once again, full inhale, raise your arms upward. 1, 2, down. 3, head up. 4, jump your body and down. 5, up. 6, mountain pose. Touch your heels on the floor and look your navel. 7, jump your body forward. Down your head. 8, full inhale and relax. This posture I am gonna show you side pose, how to perform. Watch carefully. Once again, get ready. Full inhale. 1, 2, exhale down. Hold your legs and down your head. 2, 3, 4, mountain pose. Touch your heels on the floor. Hold some time and keep breathing. Relax your body. Now jump your body forward. Take full inhale and relax. You can perform 3 to 5 rounds and according to your body capability. So now let's do next series. How to perform? Look very carefully. Now get ready. 1, bend your knees. Lift your arms upward. 2, down. 3, head up. Touch your palms on the floor. 4, jump your body and down. 5, up. 6, mountain pose. 7, counting, bring your right leg forward and open your hands. 8, lift your both hands upward, little bit down, your back backward. Namaskar mudra. 9, place your hand beside the foot and look upward. 10, 11, both hands forward, place your palms on the floor and look forward. Down, chaturanga, cobra pose, mountain, keep breathing, jump your body forward, bend your knees and relax. Now get ready. Same posture, I am gonna show you side pose how to perform. Okay, now get ready. Keep both feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4 jump, 5 up, 6. Mountain and hold some time, keep breathing, you can take relax for some time, look your navel. Now 7 counting, bring your other legs forward, open your hands, palm facing upward, 8, both hands up, little bit down your back, backward, 9, 10, 12, both hands forward, touch your palms on the floor, stay down, 14, 15 again, mountain, next jump your body forward, bend your knees and relax. This series also you can perform according to your body capability. Okay, so now get ready on the last breathing exercise, last Ashtanga series. Once again, join your both legs together. Full inhale, lift your arms upward. 1, 2, down. Just only touch your palms on the floor. A little bit down your head. 3, hold your body 90 degree. Now come back and relax. Same posture, I am going to show you side pose. How to perform side pose. Now 1, 2 down, 3, hold your body 90 degree, stretch your hands forward, don't bend your knees should be straight. Now bend your knees, 4 counting, 5, relax. These all yoga practice you can perform according to your body capability, and you can perform morning and in the evening. So before ending this yoga session, I would like to request to you all, stay at your home, keep practicing yoga, stay healthy and happy, always keep smiling on your face. Once again, thank you so much to Casa de la India, and thank you so much to all. Thank you so much watching this video. Namaste.